Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 99 Noida Mint. ₹100. 1983 Mumbai Mint. 100. Asian Games Kolkata Mint BU condition. 200. Hindi Legend Nehru Mumbai Mint UNC condition 100. 95 Noida Mint ₹5. 200. Scarce coin. 96 Noida 200. This is also scarce. 97 Noida Mint 200. 2002 Noida Mint. 2000 Noida Mint 200. I have two. 200 each. 2002 Noida Mint National Integration ₹2. 200. UNC condition. 1998 Noida Mint ₹2. 100. Asian Games Mumbai Mint UNC 100. Cross coin 2006 Noida Mint UNC condition 400. Very scarce coin. 2004 Hyderabad Mint UNC condition ₹2 only for 200. Grow More Food Kolkata Mint UNC scarce coin for 300 and Grow More Food Mumbai UNC for 200. If somebody wants both set, then ₹400 a set. If you take single, 200 is for Mumbai, 300 for Kolkata. Commonwealth Games Noida Mint BU condition 200. Commonwealth Game Hyderabad Mint BU condition 200. Plant Family Kolkata Mint UNC condition. Plant Family Mumbai Mint UNC condition. This is the set for ₹300. 2003 Hyderabad Mint BU condition ₹5. 100. 100 rupees each. BU condition Kolkata Mint Plant Family scarce coin ₹200. Water for Life UNC condition Kolkata Mint 300. 1982 Dabbu coin BU condition Kolkata Mint 200. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj BU condition Mumbai Mint scarce coin 300. Save for Development UNC Kolkata Mint for 300. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida Mint UNC condition very scarce coin 300. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint UNC condition 200. K. Kamaraj BU condition Hyderabad Mint very scarce coin 400. Black Beauty Basveshwara Mumbai Mint Mahatma Basveshwar copper nickel coin 400. UNC condition UNC to BUNC condition. This is UNC condition Tamil Conference Noida Mint very scarce coin 500. And also this is a plain edge variety also. This I am giving it as a normal price, normal coin. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, rare coin, and Rural Woman, Kolkata Mint. These both are AUNC type set, 500 rupees. This is for 500 set. Tamil Conference, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 400. India Post, Kolkata Mint, single mint coin, UNC condition, 300. World Food Day, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, very scarce coin, 300. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, extra fine condition, 200. Forestry, Kolkata Mint, AUNC condition, very scarce coin, 400. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition, 500. See the proper mint mark, star mint mark. Santa Dhaneshwar, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 300. Sant Dhaneshwar, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Aurobindo, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 300. Half rupee, Mumbai Mint, 300. 46, half rupee, Mumbai Mint. Half rupee, 1951, Mumbai Mint, 100. Half rupee, 1954, Kolkata Mint, 200. Tukaram, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 300. Supreme Court, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 400. Polu the Guard, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, very scarce coin, 400. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, clear line, only for 500. Small Family, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, for 500. Rainfed Farming, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, very scarce coin, 400. I have two, 400 rupees each. Sant Tukaram, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, 400. Shastri Ji, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 300. Aurobindo, Kolkata Mint, this is a variety, D lion variety, see the lion, this is the D lion, only for 500, very scarce coin, UNC condition. UNC condition, Aurobindo, Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, 300. Madan Mohan Malviya, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, rare coin, 600. Quit India Movement, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 600. Quit India Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 200. Quit India Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. UNC condition is for 200 and BU condition is for 300. Mumbai Mint. श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी कलकत्ता मिंट UNC condition, very scarce coin, 500. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee BU condition, Kolkata mint for 600. So very scarce coin. 1990 Dabbu coin, UNC condition, Hyderabad mint, only for 500. Food and environment, Hyderabad mint, AUNC condition, very scarce coin, 300. United Nation UNC condition, Noida mint, very scarce coin, 700. United Nation Mumbai mint, very scarce coin, UNC condition, 700. ILO UNC condition, Mumbai mint, 500. Quarter rupee 56 Kolkata, 200. 54 Kolkata, 200. BU condition 1993, rare parliamentary coin, only for 1200 rupees. Maharana Pratap UNC condition, Mumbai mint, rare coin, 800. 1994 A Lion, Noida mint, rare coin, AUNC plus condition, very difficult this lion variety to get in this condition. Trying to show you a lion, only for 700 rupees. 1974 Hyderabad mint, 10 paise, UNC condition, rare coin this is, only for 1200. ILO Noida mint UNC, very scarce coin, 800. Food for future Kolkata mint UNC, see the luster, 800. 1947 UNC rare coin, Lahore mint, this is a 47 Lahore mint, 1400. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Hyderabad mint, BU condition, 700. Tamil Conference BU condition, this is a single mint coin, 2 rupees, Mumbai mint, in this condition it is a rare coin, only for 1200. First 25 paise, Mumbai mint, 57, 25 paise, 300 rupees. Kolkata mint, 300 rupees, 300 rupees each. Agri Expo BU condition, Mumbai mint, see the luster, only for 1200. Agri Expo Kolkata mint, rare coin, UNC condition, see the luster. Clear lion variety, this is not the flat lion one, this is the clear lion one, you can check, very difficult to get the clear lion variety, only for 1800 rupees. Continuous Legend 1840 UNC condition, see the clear details, mildly toned, 2000-year-old coin, sorry 200-year-old coin, only for 5000. 1986 Hyderabad Mint, rare coin, UNC condition, only for 2200 rupees. Check the luster, very beautiful condition, very difficult to get in UNC condition. 86 and 88 Noida and 86 Hyderabad. UNC condition, only for 2200 rupees. See the luster. (1977) Mumbai Mint. This is a UNC set coin, safe for development. Set from the broken from the set for 3500 rupees. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, rare coin, UNC condition. See the luster, only for 2000 rupees. Clear face. See the lion face is clear for 2000. 1962 Kolkata Mint, single mint coin, UNC condition for 1400. If you want this and this both, this is also 1400 and this is also 1400. If you want both set, I can give for 2500 rupees. It becomes 28, but if you take both set, I'll give it for 2500 rupees. If you want set, then click like this and send me. If you want single coin, then this way. Veer Durga Das, UNC set coin, rare coin. See the diamond mint mark, Mumbai Mint, broken from the UNC set, only for 3000 rupees. Durga Das never released in Mumbai Mint for circulation. This is only from a UNC set. 1898 Mumbai Mint, rare coin. See the clear Empress, dress panel, everything is clear. Crown details are clear. Only for 4900 rupees, rare coin. After 97, this 98 is rare. Plant Family, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, X rare coin this is. See the mint mark. I am trying to show you all the mint mark. Only for 8000 rupees. $50 1961 Kolkata Mint, 200. 61 Mumbai Mint, 200. 62 Mumbai Mint, 200. 68 Kolkata Mint, 300. 68 Mumbai Mint, 300. 68 Kolkata Mint, 300. 63 Mumbai Mint, 200. 1970 Mumbai Mint, 100. 1970 Kolkata Mint, 100. This is a 10 paisa UNC condition, Equality for Development and World Food Day. These two 10 paisas are for 300 rupees set, UNC condition. UNC to Gem UNC 62 66, 25 paise, Kolkata Mint. Very difficult to get Kolkata Mint. Certain years are very difficult, but I made the set. UNC to GEM UNC Kolkata Mint. 60 to 66, 1400 rupees. Set is for 1400. You won't get single coin from here because very difficultly I made the set. So you have to buy a set only. 1400 rupees set. Chitrandana Das, first try. One is AUNC, this is AUNC and this is extra fine. First strike. This is the AUNC one I am showing first. And this is extra fine. This is both for 2000 rupees. This is a set 2000 rupees. If you want single, then you will get this AUNC for 1500 rupees and this is for 1000 rupees. If you buy set both for 2000 rupees, 500 less becomes. And I have this Mumbai Mint 25 paise set. This is a Mumbai Mint 25 paise 60 to 66. UNC to GEM UNC. Actually all are GEM UNC. This is for 1200 rupees. The Mumbai one is for 1200 rupees. Kolkata one is for 1400 rupees. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.